going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. Right here I got a 2020 Durango. I'm sure a lot of you know, but if you're checking your cabin filters, let's see if I can turn my light on. I have to zoom in a little bit. Cabin filter is going to be in there. Now if you don't have your recirc, if you have your recirc on, that little door right there is going to flap shut on you. I'm going to show you guys real quick. So we're going to go in here and turn this little ignition on and circulate. Now we're gonna go back over here, and as you can see, that little door is closed. That's recirculating the air inside the car. So if you're changing your cabin filter on any Durango of this body style, or even some of the Jeeps Cherokees, which is the same thing underneath, just different body, you have to turn the circulate off in order to get this door to come open so you can change your cabin filter, and then you're good. So just a little quick tip for anybody that has a Durango, Jeep, any kind of Dodge product that has this system. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this helps somebody out. So I'm gonna get this oil change done, and another day.